What if I told you that a simple kitchen ingredient, one you probably already have, could dramatically improve your health? From soothing heartburn to boosting kidney function and even whitening your teeth. No, we're not talking about some expensive miracle supplement. We're talking about baking soda. Yep, the same powder you use to keep your fridge from smelling like last week's leftovers might just be the health hack you never knew you needed. In this video, we'll uncover 10 incredible, science-backed health benefits of baking soda that will not only surprise you, but could also help you live a longer, healthier life. And trust me, you'll want to stick around for number 1. It might just change the way you start your mornings forever. Number 1. Baking soda for heartburn and indigestion. Imagine this. You've just finished a delicious meal, maybe a hearty plate of pasta, some spicy tacos, or a big slice of cheesy pizza. But a few minutes later, you feel that all-too-familiar burning sensation creeping up your chest. Heartburn, indigestion, that uncomfortable fiery irritation that makes you regret your food choices instantly. Most people rush for an over-the-counter Antacid. But what if I told you there's a simple, natural alternative sitting right in your kitchen? Baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, is a natural alkaline compound that neutralizes excess stomach acid almost instantly. In fact, studies show that when dissolved in water and consumed in small amounts, baking soda can help maintain the pH balance in your stomach, providing fast relief from acid reflux and indigestion. Think of it like a fire extinguisher for that burning sensation in your chest. It works by quickly reducing acidity levels and creating a more balanced environment in your stomach. Now here's the kicker. Unlike commercial antacids, which may contain additives and artificial ingredients, baking soda is pure and effective. But before you go chugging a glass of it, moderation is key. The recommended dose is about half a teaspoon dissolved in a glass of water. Too much can lead to bloating or even an imbalance in your body's electrolytes. So the next time you feel that post-meal discomfort creeping in, instead of suffering through it or reaching for a pill, try a simple glass of baking soda water. Your stomach might just thank you. Number 2, boosting kidney health. Now let's talk about 2 of the hardest working organs in your body, your kidneys. These bean-shaped powerhouses filter nearly 50 gallons of blood every single day, removing waste, balancing fluids, and ensuring your body stays in optimal condition. But here's something most people don't realize. An overly acidic environment in your body can actually put extra strain on your kidneys, increasing the risk of kidney disease and even kidney failure. This is where baking soda steps in as a game changer. Research from the Journal of the American Society of Nephrology found that sodium bicarbonate supplementation can help slow the progression of chronic kidney disease by reducing acid buildup in the bloodstream. In simpler terms, baking soda helps create a more alkaline environment, easing the workload on your kidneys and allowing them to function more efficiently. It's like giving your kidneys a well-deserved break from overworking. Now, before you start mixing baking soda into everything, it's important to note that individuals with kidney issues should consult a doctor before using it regularly. The right dosage matters, and too much sodium can have the opposite effect if not used properly. But for those looking for a natural way to support kidney health, small amounts of baking soda, under medical supervision, could be a powerful tool in keeping these vital organs functioning smoothly. Number 3, a natural tooth whitener. Let's be honest, who doesn't want a whiter, brighter smile? Our teeth go through a lot every day. Coffee, tea, wine, and even certain foods can lead to staining and discoloration over time. While many people turn to expensive whitening treatments or chemical-laden toothpaste, what if the secret to a healthier, whiter smile was something as simple as baking soda? Baking soda has been used as a natural teeth-cleaning agent for decades, and science backs up its effectiveness. Unlike harsh chemical whiteners, baking soda is a mild abrasive, meaning it gently scrubs away surface stains without damaging tooth enamel. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Dentistry found that toothpaste containing baking soda was significantly more effective at removing plaque and stains compared to non-baking soda toothpaste. The reason? Baking soda particles are tiny enough to reach into the microscopic crevices of your teeth, lifting stains and neutralizing bacteria at the same time. And here's the best part. It's incredibly simple to use. You can mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste and gently brush your teeth with it a couple of times a week. But remember, while baking soda is effective, overuse can wear down enamel over time. So think of it as a natural enhancement rather than a daily replacement for your regular toothpaste. With just a little effort, you could be flashing a naturally brighter, healthier smile in no time, without breaking the bank on expensive treatments. Number 4, enhancing exercise performance. Imagine this. You're pushing through an intense workout, whether it's weightlifting, running, or cycling. But just when you're about to hit your stride, your muscles start burning, fatigue sets in, and suddenly you can't go any further. That burning sensation? It's caused by lactic acid buildup in your muscles, which leads to soreness and exhaustion. But what if I told you that baking soda could help delay that fatigue and improve your endurance? Scientific studies, including research published in the European Journal of Applied Physiology, show that sodium bicarbonate can act as a buffer against lactic acid, helping to maintain a balanced pH in your muscles. This means that instead of feeling the burn too soon, your muscles can keep going for longer, allowing you to push through high-intensity workouts with greater ease. In fact, elite athletes have been using baking soda supplementation, also known as soda doping, for years to enhance performance in sprinting, swimming, and endurance sports. The best way to use baking soda for exercise is to mix about half a teaspoon in a glass of water and drink it 30 to 60 minutes before a workout. However, too much baking soda at once can cause stomach discomfort, so it's best to start with a small amount and see how your body responds. So, if you've ever wished for a little extra stamina at the gym, maybe all you need is a simple kitchen ingredient to take your workouts to the next level. 5. Natural deodorant and odor neutralizer. Let's face it, nobody wants to be the person at the gym, office, or social event who suddenly realizes, wait, is that smell coming from me? Many commercial deodorants are packed with artificial fragrances, aluminum, and other chemicals that may not be the best for long-term health. But here's a little-known fact. Baking soda is a natural odor neutralizer that can keep you smelling fresh all day long, without the harmful additives. How does it work? Baking soda's alkaline properties help neutralize the acidic components of sweat, which are what actually cause body odor. Instead of just masking smells like traditional deodorants do, baking soda eliminates odor at the source. A study published in the Journal of Applied Toxicology suggests that some commercial deodorants can disrupt the skin's natural microbiome, while baking soda offers a gentler alternative for those with sensitive skin. Using it is simple. Just mix a small amount of baking soda with water or coconut oil to create a paste and apply it lightly under your arms. Some people even add a few drops of essential oil for a pleasant scent. However, if you have very sensitive skin, use it sparingly, as baking soda can be slightly irritating for some. But for a natural, chemical-free way to stay fresh, baking soda might just be your new best friend. Number 6. Alkalizing the body and balancing pH. You've probably heard people talk about alkalizing the body, but what does that really mean? And more importantly, does it actually matter? Well, maintaining a balanced pH in your body is crucial for overall health, and baking soda can play a surprising role in keeping your internal environment in check. Your body naturally works to maintain a stable pH level, but modern diets, heavy in processed foods, sugar, and acidic beverages, can sometimes lead to excess acidity. This can contribute to inflammation, fatigue, and even a higher risk of chronic disease. Studies suggest that sodium bicarbonate helps balance pH levels by reducing excess acidity in the bloodstream, creating a more alkaline state. Some research, including findings published in BMC Nephrology, indicates that maintaining an alkaline environment in the body may support metabolic health and reduce the risk of conditions like osteoporosis and kidney disease. So how can you use baking soda for pH balance? Some wellness enthusiasts drink a glass of water with a small amount of baking soda, about 1/4 teaspoon, to help balance acidity, but it's important not to overdo it. The key is moderation and listening to your body. So if you're looking for a natural way to support overall health, baking soda could be a simple addition to your routine. 7. Soothing skin, irritations and sunburns. Imagine spending a perfect day at the beach only to come home and realize you've turned into a human lobster. Sunburns, bug bites, rashes. These skin irritations are not only uncomfortable, but can also take days to heal. Luckily, baking soda's soothing properties can provide quick relief and help your skin recover faster. Baking soda has natural anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties that can help reduce redness, swelling, and itching. A study published in the Journal of Dermatological Treatment found that baking soda baths can be an effective way to soothe irritated skin and promote healing. For sunburn relief, simply add a cup of baking soda to a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. It helps cool the skin and reduce discomfort. For bug bites and rashes, mix baking soda with a little water to create a soothing paste and apply it directly to the affected area. It helps neutralize acidic toxins from insect stings and reduces itchiness. And the best part? It's completely natural and free from harsh chemicals. So the next time you have a skin emergency, skip the expensive creams. Baking soda might be all you need. Number 8. Removing toxins from the body. We're constantly exposed to toxins, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. While our body has its own detoxification systems, sometimes it could use a little extra help. That's where baking soda comes in. Baking soda has been used for centuries as a detoxifying agent. Studies suggest that baking soda baths can help draw out impurities and heavy metals from the skin, supporting the body's natural cleansing process. Some researchers also believe that because baking soda helps balance pH levels, it can aid in reducing oxidative stress, which contributes to inflammation and aging. To try a baking soda detox bath, simply add about 1/2 to 1 cup of baking soda to warm water and soak for 20 to 30 minutes. It helps open up pores, remove toxins, and leave you feeling refreshed. While it's not a magic cure-all, incorporating baking soda into your self-care routine may give your body a little extra support in staying clean from the inside out. 9. Natural cold and flu relief. We've all been there. Sore throat, congestion, body aches. The dreaded cold or flu sneaks up, and suddenly even getting out of bed feels like a challenge. While most people turn to over-the-counter medications, did you know that baking soda has been used as a natural remedy for colds and flu for over a century? Baking soda helps by balancing your body's pH, creating an environment where viruses and bacteria struggle to thrive. Research suggests that keeping the body's pH slightly more alkaline can support immune function, helping your system fight off infections more effectively. In fact, in the early 20th century, baking soda was even recommended by the U.S. Public Health Service as a remedy to ease cold symptoms. To try it, mix 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it once or twice a day at the first sign of illness. Some people also use a baking soda gargle to soothe sore throats and kill bacteria. While it's not a replacement for medical treatments, it's a simple, natural way to support your immune system and recover faster. And number 10, morning energy boost. Most of us rely on coffee or energy drinks to wake up in the morning. But what if I told you that baking soda could be a natural, jitter-free way to boost your energy levels? When we sleep, our body's pH can become slightly acidic due to normal metabolic processes. This slight acidity can make us feel groggy and sluggish when we wake up. Baking soda, being alkaline, helps balance pH levels, improving hydration and oxygen flow to the muscles and brain. Some athletes even drink baking soda water in the morning to enhance endurance and reduce fatigue. A simple way to try this? Mix 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it first thing in the morning. It helps kickstart hydration, neutralize excess acidity, and leave you feeling more refreshed. And unlike coffee, there's no caffeine crash, just pure natural energy. So there you have it, 10 incredible, science-backed ways baking soda can improve your health. From soothing heartburn and boosting kidney function, to whitening teeth and even helping with exercise performance, this humble kitchen staple is more powerful than most people realize. Now here's my question for you. Which of these benefits surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more science-backed health tips to help you live longer, healthier, and happier. See you in the next video.